Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you the new feature in CapCut, photo effects, and I'm going to show you how to use it. So the photo effects feature can be found in the effects options at the bottom. So when you add photos to CapCut, you can just go to effects, and here you can find photo effects. So click on that, and here there are a few categories that you can choose. In the photo effects, there is AI painting, particle expression, motion split, portrait, face swap, and scene swap. You can just choose which one that you want to use. For example, I want to use the 3D zoom in here, so you can just click on the effect that you want to use and wait for it to generating. Okay, like that. And you can also choose a different effect for the rest of the photo. I'm going to use the pop-up album for the second photo. So after that, you can just click on the check icon, and then the effect will be applied to your photo like so. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this content, please click on the thanks below. Don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.